Tonight, as you fall asleep, you will enter another world. A world where the laws of reality no longer apply. You might fly across the sky, walk through walls, speak to people who died years ago, or find yourself running from something you can't even see. And while it's happening, it all feels completely real. But here's the strange part. Your brain is creating every single detail. The people, the places, the sounds, the stories, everything. Every night, billions of people experience this phenomenon, yet scientists still cannot fully explain why it happens. Why does the human brain create entire worlds while we sleep? Why do we dream? And what if dreams are doing far more than we realize? Tonight, we're diving into one of the greatest mysteries of the human mind, a mystery that begins every time you close your eyes. For thousands of years, humans have searched for answers. Ancient civilizations believed dreams were messages from gods. Some believed they predicted the future. Others thought dreams were journeys into another realm. Even today, many people believe dreams contain hidden meanings. And perhaps the strangest part is this. Every night, almost everyone dreams. The average person spends nearly 2 hours dreaming every single night. Over an average lifetime, that's nearly 6 years spent inside a reality that exists only inside the mind. 6 years! Imagine spending 6 entire years living in a world that vanishes every morning. Scientists have spent decades trying to understand why, and what they discovered was fascinating. Dreaming is closely connected to a stage of sleep called REM sleep, rapid eye movement. During REM sleep, your eyes dart beneath your eyelids. Your brain becomes highly active, almost as active as when you're awake. But while your brain is busy creating dreams, something strange happens to your body. During REM sleep, most of your muscles become temporarily paralyzed. You can't run, you can't jump, you can't physically act out your dreams. It's as if your brain locks your body in place. Scientists believe this safety mechanism exists for a reason. Imagine dreaming that you're running from danger. If your body wasn't temporarily disabled, you might actually start running across the room. Some people suffer from rare disorders where this paralysis doesn't work properly. They may talk, punch, kick, or even walk while dreaming. These unusual cases have helped scientists understand just how deeply connected dreams are to brain activity. But even with all this knowledge, the biggest question remains unanswered. Why do dreams exist at all? One possibility is that dreams help organize memories, and that idea may explain why dreaming has survived throughout human evolution. Every day, your brain processes enormous amounts of information. Faces, conversations, images, sounds, emotions, experiences. The amount of information is overwhelming. Some scientists believe dreams help the brain sort through this chaos, almost like a computer organizing files after a long day. Important memories are strengthened. Unimportant information is discarded. Research shows that sleep plays a crucial role in memory formation. People who sleep well often remember things better. This suggests dreaming may be part of a powerful biological process. But memories may only be one piece of the puzzle. Another theory is even more intriguing. What if dreams are actually training simulations? What if your brain is preparing you for danger?
Imagine living thousands of years ago. No cities, no locks, no modern safety. Danger could appear at any moment. Predators, enemies, natural disasters. According to one theory, dreams evolved as a survival tool, a virtual reality simulator created by the brain, a place where humans could rehearse dangerous situations without real consequences.
Interestingly, many common dreams involve threats, being chased, falling, getting lost, being trapped, arriving somewhere unprepared. These themes appear again and again across different cultures and generations. Perhaps they aren't random. Perhaps they're ancient survival mechanisms still operating inside modern brains. Then there is another famous idea, one that changed psychology forever. The theory proposed by Sigmund Freud. Freud believed dreams were messages from hidden parts of the mind. According to him, dreams revealed desires, fears, and thoughts buried deep within the unconscious. His ideas remain controversial, but they transformed the study of dreams forever. And modern science has uncovered something even stranger. Brain scans reveal that during dreams, the regions responsible for imagination, emotion, and visual experiences become highly active. At the same time, areas responsible for logic become less active. This may explain why bizarre dream events seem perfectly normal. You could be talking to a dinosaur, walking underwater, or visiting another planet, and somehow none of it feels strange until you wake up. Then there are lucid dreams, dreams in which people become aware they are dreaming. Imagine realizing you're inside a dream, and then controlling what happens next, flying, exploring impossible worlds, creating anything you can imagine. Some people spend years learning how to do this. Yet, despite decades of research, scientists still don't have a single definitive answer to why we dream. Dreams may help process memories, regulate emotions, practice survival, spark creativity, or perhaps perform several functions at once. The truth is, the human brain remains one of the most complex objects in the known universe, and dreams remain one of its greatest mysteries. When you close your eyes, your mind will once again build an entire universe from nothing. A universe filled with impossible stories, hidden emotions, and unanswered questions. Perhaps one day we will finally understand why we dream. But until then, every dream is a reminder that the greatest mystery in your life may exist inside your own head. If you enjoyed this journey into the science and mystery of dreams, subscribe to H3W. How, when, where, and why. Because sometimes the biggest questions don't lie in the stars. They lie within ourselves.